Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to fix Gmail crashing problem. And now let's dive right in. Now to fix your Gmail app crashing problem on your phone, we can try out 2 or 3 steps. Now the first one is you must check for the update of the Gmail app itself. So open up the Play Store and at the bottom right corner of the screen there is the search button. Tap on it and search for Gmail over here, either to check if the Gmail has an update or not. That may be what's causing the Gmail to crash, and if there's an update available, update it guys. And with that being said guys, after you have done that, you might also want to check out the settings from the phone side and not the Gmail side. Open your settings on your phone and search for apps by scrolling down over here, and you can find the apps. Tap on apps, and over here tap on app management, which is at the top of the screen, and let this page load. We'll be searching for Gmail app. Tap to open it, and over here guys, so we'll be required to go to the storage uses of Gmail so we can clear out some of the cache memories of Gmail. Tap on storage uses, and over here you can see the clear cache and the clear data button available for us. If you tap on the clear data button guys, all of your email IDs which you have logged in on Gmail will be cleared out, including your login credentials. But that is the second option. First try tapping on the clear cache button. Over here you can see my Gmail has 42.5 MB of cache. Tap clear cache button over here as I have done, and again check either the Gmail app is perfectly working or not. After reinsuring your Gmail app's performance, you can try another settings, and if it's still not going smoothly guys, open up the settings again and tap on clear data. Then all of your data on Gmail will be wiped out and you'll be logged into Gmail like a new Gmail. So that has been able to fix some lags guys. And with that being said guys, after even trying out all of this stuff, if your Gmail still doesn't perform smoothly, try reinstalling your Gmail app. And with that being said guys, this is how to fix Gmail crashing problem. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.